Hello everyone. Now in this lecture we are going to find the solution of differential equation by using Laplace transformation, for which we have studied a Laplace and Laplace inverse, convolution theorem, periodic function, each and everything we study to find the solution of differential equation. Now before going further, I just recommend you to remember this formula. This is the Laplace for the derivative. This n is representing the derivative order of ft. Like if we are finding the Laplace of d square f over dt square, then according to this formula the value of n is 2, so it will be equal to s square Laplace of ft minus x to the power n minus 1, that means 2 minus 1, 1 function y, boundary condition, this is the condition when t is 0, minus x to the power 2 minus 2, that will be 0, and first derivative when t is 0. So double derivative or Laplace of f double dash, Laplace of f double dash is this. Similarly, if we are going to find the Laplace for y to the power 4, y to the power 3, that means third derivative, this will be equal to x to the power 3 Laplace of y minus s square and y at 0 minus s y dash 0 minus y double dash 0. These are the conditions which we are going to implement. Now we have a question that y double dash plus 9y equal to 6 cos t when the conditions are y is equal to 2 when t is 0, y dash is equal to 0 when t is 0. Now for this first equation we are taking Laplace, we get double derivative. For double derivative we get s square, this is the symbol of Laplace of y. Laplace of y is represented as y bar. So s square Laplace of y minus s y0 minus y dash, because x to the power 0 is over here, and Laplace of 9y is equal to 6 is same. The Laplace of cos 3t is s upon s square plus 9. Now substituting the values for these condition, we get s square y bar minus 2s plus 9y bar is equal to 6s upon s square plus 9. Now we have to consider the y bar as a left side and all the remaining term will be considered as a right side. So this is Laplace of y is equal to something. Laplace of y is equal to 2s over s square plus 9 plus 6s over s square plus 9 whole square. Now for this differential equation, 1, the solution means the value of y which satisfy the equation and the condition. We have already used the condition. Now what we required the value of y. So to find the value of y, we just take y is equal to Laplace inverse of all the terms of the right side. That means now we have to find out the Laplace inverse. So y is equal to Laplace inverse of 2s upon s square plus 9 and Laplace inverse of 6s upon s square plus 9 whole square. Now calculating the Laplace inverse, we get 2 cos 3t minus t sine 3t. So y is equal to this, and this is the advantage of Laplace, that we are not getting any general solution or complete solution. This is the particular solution. Particular solution means we are not getting any arbitrary constant of like C1, C2 or C3, which we receive in the solution of y is equal to CF plus PI. So we get the exact solution, a particular solution for the differential equation by using Laplace transformation. Now we have a second question, that y triple dash minus 2y double dash plus 5y dash is equal to 0. This is equation 1, and the conditions are y is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0, y dash is equal to 1 when t is equal to 0, and y is equal to 1 at t is equal to pi by 8. So to solve the equation 1, we just taking the Laplace on both sides. So Laplace of y triple dash minus 2 Laplace of y double dash plus 5 Laplace of y dash is equal to 0. Now according to the previous formula, s cube Laplace of y minus s square y 0 minus s y dash 0 minus s to the power 0 y double dash 0. This is for the third derivative. Now for the second derivative, 2 into s square y dash y Laplace minus s y 0 minus y dash 0, and for the first derivative, 5 Laplace of s Laplace of y minus y 0 is equal to 0. Now substituting the values of this condition, we have y 0 is equal to 0, y dash 0 is equal to 1. So we substitute these values, y 0 is equal to 0, y dash 0 is equal to 1, but we don't have the value y double dash 0. So we assume that y double dash 0 is k. Substituting the values of y0 and y dash 0, y0. When we substitute these values, we get s cube minus 2s square plus 5s Laplace of y minus s minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are doing the same process, taking the Laplace of y on the left side and all the remaining terms to the right side. Now k minus 2 is taken as a constant. To solve the Laplace of this, we just doing the partial fraction and we receive this value. Now Laplace of y is equal to, after doing the partial fraction and separating the terms, we get this value. Taking the Laplace inverse of the right side, k minus 2 is constant, minus k minus 2 by 5, and this term s minus 1 upon s minus 1 whole square plus 4 by using the shifting theorem and cos 2t formula, we receive e to the power t cos 2t, and this will be converted to shifting theorem and sin 2t. So y is equal to this, but this is not a solution until unless we get the value of k. Now we have the third condition, that y is equal to 1 when t is equal to pi by 8. So in this equation A, we substitute the value of t as equal to pi by 8 and y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 and the t is equal to pi by 8. Now calculating and solving the values, we receive k is equal to 7. Now we have to substitute this k in equation A, and finally the solution for the given differential equation is y is equal to 1 plus e to the power t sin 2t minus cos 2t. So this is the particular solution for the given problem. Now for this topic I am taking the third example. Solve the differential equation y double dash plus 25y is equal to 10 cos 5t, where the given condition y0 is equal to 2 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. Now taking the Laplace for equation 1 both sides, we get Laplace of y double dash plus 25 Laplace of y is equal to 10 Laplace of cos 5t. So we receive s square y Laplace, that is represented as bar, minus s y at 0 minus y dash 0 plus 25 and Laplace of y is equal to 10 and the Laplace of cos 5t is equal to s upon s square plus 25. Now substituting the values for this condition over here, we receive s square Laplace of y minus 2s plus 25 Laplace of y is equal to 10s over s square plus 25. Now taking Laplace as a left side, Laplace of y is equal to 10s upon s square plus 25 whole square plus 2s upon s square plus 25. Now to find the solution, y is equal to Laplace inverse of 10s upon s square plus 25 whole square plus Laplace inverse of 2s upon s square plus 25. So the solution for this will be Laplace inverse of, because to find out the solution of this term, either we will use convolution theorem or we just use the different formula of differentiation, d by ds of minus 5 upon s square plus 25 plus 2 cos 5t. Now according to the formula, the value of the first term will be t sin 5t plus 2 cos 5t. So over here we are using the formula that t into ft is equal to Laplace inverse of d by ds of fs. We use this formula to find out the solution of this process, or either we can use the convolution theorem. Now for the practice point of view, I just recommend you to solve this question: d square x over dt square plus 9x is equal to cos 2t if x0 is equal to 1 and x pi by 2 is equal to minus 1. You have to find out the solution of this problem. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and for any doubt and any query, contact your concerned class faculty in your doubt session. Have a great day.